Hi, my name is Nicole Shivers, and today I want to show you how to be sure your device is compatible with the current Supra eKEY software. Supra releases occasional updates to your eKEY in an effort to keep up with the ever-changing face of technology. These updates include feature enhancements, minor fixes, and increased security. We're not always notified for the minor fixes, however, they may change the requirements for a device to be compatible with the eKEY. For this reason, we recommend eKEY users confirm the compatibility of their device occasionally by looking up the eKEY app in the device's App Store. Let's take a look. For Androids, go to the Google Play Store and search for Supra eKEY. Once the app appears, tap on the Supra icon, then tap About this app and scroll down to see the compatibility details. For iPhones, go to the App Store and search for Supra eKEY. Once the app appears, tap on the Supra icon, then scroll down to see the compatibility details under Information. You can tap on Compatibility to view the details. Now that you've verified your device is compatible with the eKEY software, be sure to go back and check for any updates in the app that may affect your eKEY periodically. If you have any questions about your eKEY, Supra support is available 7 days a week from 5 a.m. to 7 p.m. to assist you. And of course, you can always contact our member services department at 925-730-4060. As always, thanks for watching.